Hey everyone, today is April 9th, Sunday, April 9th, and I'm here with my mom, and we grow crop flowers in southwestern Ontario. And today we're going to try and make a fence around the garden so we can put the chickens in, so hopefully they can fertilize the ground for us before the growing season starts. So what we're going to use these are electric fencing poles. Well, we got them for just over $3. So we're going to try giving them a try. And then we're going to use this all-purpose netting, heavy grade, 4 feet tall by 45 feet long. So we got 3 of these. I don't know if we're going to use all 3, but hopefully we won't. So now we're going to get our stuff together and we're going to try building this fence. We also have a few of these. Got these from the dollar store just to put in the middle for some added support. Yeah, the extra. That's what I'm talking about, the zip ties. Oh, they $2. So let's see if this gate will work.
Oh, perfect.
That's awesome. For a bit of a Mickey Mouse chicken fence. You can see just the zip ties. And then zip tie it down the bottom to keep it snug so that they don't get out underneath. We're going to give them a try. What do you think? What do you think? doing exactly what we want them to do. They're loving it, look. This is great. Now that roll was $35 each. You had to buy 2, but you didn't use 2. Like $30 in posts. That's not bad. Consider we need it to be mobile because in a couple of weeks. The thing about chickens, you put them in there, we'll let them fertilize, scratch, do what they do, but then we have to take them off for a couple of weeks because let their manure kind of mellow out so there's not too much nitrogen. So it's April 9th. So yeah, we got 4, 5, 6 weeks for it to mellow.
Happy Easter, everyone.
So we bought a couple of bags of the composted sheep manure. It's got peat in it. So our thoughts are, cut these open and then spread it around and let these girls turn it in for us. So hopefully they'll spread this around for us. They're just interested in bugs over here right now.
That's it, lazy girl.
Give you a quick update, just a quick update on the lettuce and the kale that we planted last week. Lettuce, it's looking fabulous. Kale's doing pretty good, except we have something is eating it because I cannot find any kind of bugs on it. I don't know if do chipmunks eat kale? I would imagine. And the tulips. Now there's the daffodils. They're going to be blooming soon. Everything has grown so much. It's almost, I think, too hot in here, so we peel back all the windows and open the door. What? And there's some more. Onions are doing good. spinach in the bottles, really. You can probably open them. Yeah, I'd say we could probably open them now. It romaines a little, but it's still coming. And sage, this thing is from last year. Still going. There's little baby lupins. And then some more. Oh, there's the goodness.
Farm fresh eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, and they are delicious.